as we emerge from a week of profound sorrow and reflection, and as the nation continues to observe the 7 days of mourning on the passing of our former Prime Minister, it is both fitting and worthy that we anchor this year's Mashujaa celebration in the extraordinary and consequential life of our departed legend, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga.
Muthioyo wa Mashujaa ukuranitwo na ukerekerio na njira ya mwanya na kugiritanio na ucamba wa uria urari minista wa tene na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga akigwetwo ta njamba ya utongoria urekuranire na uteti wa kwihotha gutungatira muingi guku na nja wa bururi.
It is for this reason, fellow citizens, in his solemn memory that I invite us all to now stand and observe a moment of silence in honor and celebration of his remarkable life and service to our great country, our continent, and to humanity.
SHUJAA RAILA niguo atũgĩrĩtio nĩ ciana ici kũhĩtũkĩra gũcora rĩtwa rĩake na irebeta rĩa mwanya oro hamwe na arĩa megũcanjamũraga andũ na nyĩmbo magĩtambũra nyĩmbo iria irendetwo nĩ Odinga.
Raila wetu lala lala salama, baba wetu lala lala salama, lala salama. Raila shujaa, mwanga wa taifa letu, ulipigania haki na umoja, ukawasha taa ya utu. Sauti yako menyamaza, lakini roho yako yaishi. Akiwoye wa Kenya tutakumiss, urithi wako daima 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 utadumu.
Ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ ya President William Ruto augĩte mũndũ njamba nĩ ũrĩa ũigĩte wendo wa bũrũri mbere ya maũndũ make kĩũmbe na kurirũkia bendera ya Kenya hatarĩ gũconoka, mũndũ ũranyotera bũrũri kwĩrũgamia atarĩ na nyota ya kũhotana ithurano-inĩ maya mothe akĩmetania na Raila Odinga.
For Baba, it was never about him becoming president. It was about Kenya having a good president and Kenya moving from a third world status to a first world status in a short time as possible, so that we as a people and as a nation can realize our true potential.
Ruto augĩte Raila ararĩ gĩtugĩ gĩa kũnyitithania bũrũri, augĩte ararĩ barothi wa thayũ na koguo akamũtuga na ngerenwa ya gĩkĩro kĩgũrũ mũno gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kuma kũrĩ thirikari ya the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart neo CGH ĩrĩa ĩcabithĩtio ngathĩti-inĩ ya bũrũri.
It is the reason that on this Mashujaa Day, in recognition of his extraordinary contribution and enduring legacy, the government and the people of Kenya inscribe Raila Odinga's name among the foremost of our heroes under the public seal of the Republic of Kenya. On behalf of a grateful nation and through the authority vested in me as president, I have today posthumously conferred upon the Right Honorable Raila Odinga the highest honor of the Republic, the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart of Kenya.
President wa Senegal onake nĩ aririkanĩte mũtigairĩ Raila Odinga ta njamba nĩ wĩrutĩri wake gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika na thĩ yothe akĩmũcakaya.
I would like first to take this opportunity to renew the heartfelt condolences of the people of Senegal to the brotherly people of Kenya and the passing of Mr. Raila Odinga, a former Prime Minister and a great leader in the political history of Kenya. I pay tribute to the memory of the illustrious departed and express my deep compassion to President Ruto, to his family, and to the people of Kenya. May his soul rest in peace.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waithĩra Nduati wa Mwangi.